We have a 2008 Polaris 700 EFI Ranger. We're going to go through the steps in replacing the fuel pump. Before beginning any repair, disconnect the negative battery cable. To gain access to the fuel pump module, remove the lower seat cushion. Disconnect the electrical connection and the fuel line. There may be some residual pressure. Be sure and capture this in a safe container. Remove the side panel and air box to gain access to the fuel tank. Remove the fuel tank and clean the outside. It's a good idea to clean the outside of the tank before removing the module assembly. This will keep any excessive debris from getting in the tank. Drain any remaining fuel into a safe container. Using a spanner wrench, remove the module assembly from the tank. Note the location of the vent tube and the marks on the top of the tank for reassembly. At this point, we need to clean the inside of the tank. We want to be sure that the tank is as clean as possible to allow a clean environment for the fuel pump. Remove the lower retainer from the module assembly. Disconnect the electrical connection from the flange. Cut the zip tie and remove the static ground from its retainer. Remove the upper pump housing and disconnect the electrical connection. Remove the fuel pump from the assembly. With the new fuel pump, you receive an outlet spacer, an outlet fitting, new isolator, new strainer, a zip tie, and a strainer retainer. Install the strainer, place the retainer on the locating pin, push into position with a small socket. Place the spacer on the outlet of the pump and then the outlet fitting. Install the isolator onto the bottom of the pump and place into the lower assembly. Snap the lower pump retainer into place and reconnect the electrical connection. Snap the pump assembly into place onto the regulator and reinstall the static ground. Reconnect the electrical connections and install the zip tie. Reinstall the tank seal and lower the pump module into place, making sure to align the vent line with the hash marks on the top of the tank. With the module fully seated, install the tank ring. Reinstall the fuel tank, the air box, and the side panel. Reconnect the fuel line and electrical connection. Install the seat pad and reconnect the negative battery cable. Cycle the key 2 to 3 times to charge the system. Start the vehicle and allow it to run 2 to 3 minutes to allow all the air to be purged from the system.